Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox randomly closing. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox randomly closing, you should just go to settings. Then this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about this window of Roblox. Then in this list of app info, you will click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of problems to you on your phone, and you can delete all your informations about your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.